When and why should you consider having inspections done prior to listing your home on the market? After being involved in almost 1,000 transactions across the Wasatch Front with a primary focus on Bountiful, Utah 84010 and North Salt Lake, Utah 84054, we know something about that. Hi, I'm Todd Porter. I'm one of the founders of Suited for Success Real Estate Group, also known as S4S. We are brokered by eXp Realty. In our area, it is customary for the buyer to pay for the inspections. But when would it be advantageous for a seller to do them prior to going active? We don't always recommend this, but here are a few examples as to why it is helpful to have inspections done prior to listing. It can end up saving you time and money. As a seller, you want to be aware of the condition of your property, and we don't want any unexpected costs to come up. We've seen sewer repairs that cost well over $25,000. Imagine getting a bill for $25,000 repair to replace the sewer main line. And the only way the buyer will purchase the home is if this issue is fixed or paid for. What if you already have purchased another home and you need that $25,000 to qualify for your next home? This would create a huge problem. Think about this. Let's say you found out that the home you're selling needed a new roof or air conditioning unit to be replaced. You could do a few things. You could sell the home as is and disclose the issues. Stop selling, not sell it at all, or take what needs to be done and fix it. The idea behind getting inspections performed prior is to not be blindsided by any unforeseen issues that could financially hurt you. We want the seller to be aware of any additional expenses that could possibly arise from the sale of their home. The inspections we recommend are standard customary inspections that a buyer could do. We recommend a home inspection, a roof inspection, an HVAC inspection and tune-up, as well as a sewer inspection. In most cases, you have the option to pay for these upfront or when escrow closes. Regarding the home inspection, HVAC inspection and tune-up and sewer, it's helpful but not mandatory to make sure all health and safety items are fixed, as well as all of the work performed, which includes railings, leaks, and of course the sewer separation, any sewer separation and cracks. These are very common requests by buyers. It helps the seller because they have much more assurance that they will actually net what they thought they would when they entered into escrow. It gives them a peace of mind that the buyer won't ask for any unreasonable or outlandish repairs. It also cuts down on the inspection time. Having inspections done prior also protects the seller if they have a replacement property to purchase and need every penny out of their sale to secure and to close on their new acquisition. Also, the buyer is more confident that they are buying a sound home and that it is in move-in ready condition. Furthermore, if there are bank financing on the property, some loan programs require the safety work be completed prior to closing. So with that already being completed, there is further assurance that the loan will go through. To wrap it up, sellers, buyers, and lenders have more confidence throughout the entire transaction that the home will actually close, to help keep emotions down and leave everyone safe during and after the close of escrow. As always, if you have any further questions, give us a call at Suited for Success Real Estate Group. We would love to help you, and let's make it a great home buying and selling day.